Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix feedback required on the Instagram problem. So how you can fix it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, to fix this problem you have to tap a while on the Instagram application, go to the info button, and now you are in your settings. After that you have to click on the storage and the cache, and from here you can simply clear storage or the cache and log into your Instagram account. Maybe your problem will be solved. Moreover, if it's still give a problem, simply go back and open your play store, and right here you will see search bar, enter the Instagram right here and you will see this type of the page. Simply click on the update button from here. So once you will do it, maybe your problem will be solved. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.